with y'all back again, another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can start building generational wealth and for you to be financially free starting at whatever age you are right now. So if you guys are new to my channel, please consider liking, subscribing. So today is generational wealth. So what is generational wealth, people? Generational wealth is something that you can build that's long term, that it's an asset that you can possibly pass on to your kids or your family, right? And what are good ways to build generational wealth is, for me, and my ways of how I build generational wealth is investing, right? Invest. So what you want to do is put investments, whether it be like something that you put your money into and is making you passive income. If you guys don't know, we made a video on passive income. Check out that video. So invest in things like passive income, right? So invest in passive income. So check out the passive income if you guys haven't checked it out. It's got some gems on there. So investing, right? So the main thing you want to invest in, something that's going to really hold generational wealth, is real estate, right? So real estate is the most powerful asset you can have as far as being an entrepreneur. A lot of people talk about being an entrepreneur, but they're not really entrepreneur unless their business is making them money. And one thing that's going to make you money is real estate. Real estate is passive income. You have a house, say if you got one house, so we're going to do one house, right? You know, so you got one house, right? So that one house is making you passive income, whether it's rent. So if this person is paying you $2,000 a month, because you know we're in 2023, rents are sky high, and say this house has a 3-bedroom, so 3-bedroom, and you're making $2,000 a month for one house, you're going to be bringing in $2,000 a month for 12 months. So if you put 24,000, you'll be making $24,000 a month, and that is a lot of money. 24,000. You can put that 24,000 and then invest into a down payment to another house, right? So you could take your $24,000 and then you could put that and transfer it for a down payment on another house, right? So now you got two houses that are established and they're running. Hopefully you guys are buying houses that are already running in the market, and then you just double that. You double the process. So if you put 24, you follow the same process, you could charge another $2,000 a month, because people need a place to live, and then you double it again and you multiply it. So 12, you got 12 months in a year, you put 2,000, 24,000. So now you double that, you just doubled your thing. Now you're at 48,000 over two houses, right? So the goal is, when you're doing this, is kind of like a numbers game. So now you got two houses, so the goal is to have at least 4 houses. If you're starting off at whatever age you're starting off, you want to start with 4 houses, right? And you want to have houses that are already kind of like ready to go, good for moving ready. So when you're investing in good areas, and basically investing in places where people actually want to live, right? So the formula is to study one concept and do it to another concept, right? So investing is a good thing. So let's say, okay, well, I don't have money to invest, right? So you don't have money to invest, guys. So say, hold on. We don't have money to invest, because that's probably something that a lot of people are going to be saying, right? So one thing, if you don't have money to invest, another good way is to have a partner, right? You want to have a partner. So that's another thing, is a good way. So if you guys are in relationships, or if you guys find a loved one that are really passionate about your goals and your dreams, and she's or whoever you feel like could be a good partner, you could partner up with somebody to both take two incomes to actually make this dream work. That's how you build generational wealth. Because, you know, one income is going to be tough, so you need two, right? So two incomes put together can make generational wealth, right? Now, you got to make sure the person that you partner with is not really, you know, you got to make sure they're on the same page as you, and they're willing to, you know, trust in you. Because that's another thing you're going to need, is you're going to definitely need trust, right? So trust is key. So speaking of trust, one thing that you want to have when you're building generational wealth is a trust fund. Okay? A trust fund is basically something you put in people under your name as a trust, your business names under your trustees for your generational wealth, you know, your package. So having people that are investing into the asset, you put them in a trust fund, and now you're building wealth with trustful, reputable people that are investing in you. So now you have security, right? Trust funds, you put security in the people that you invest, you multiply the method over and over again, and now you have generational wealth with hard assets that you can potentially grow on forever ever. This is like the playbook for most of the rich people. So these are high valuable information. I'm going to be having an ebook soon on generational wealth, so make sure you guys tap into that. If you guys found this video helpful, all I ask is for likes, subscribe, check out the Tattoos Tell the Story merch. We got some fly gear, and join the membership if you guys want to know some more about generational wealth. And that is all for today's class. I appreciate y'all liking, subscribing, and tuning in. Until then, I'll catch you on my next one, y'all. Peace.